Hello viewers, moving on to the next question and the last one in the series of GATE 2025 electrical solutions from subject electrical and electronic measurements. So basically this is of 2 marks, numerical answer type entity from Wheatstone Bridge. That came from subject electrical and electronic measurements in GATE 2025 electrical engineering. Question number 59 of the master question paper is given as: in the Wheatstone bridge shown below, the sensitivity of the bridge in terms of the change in balancing voltage E for a unit change in the resistance R in millivolt per ohm is round off to 2 decimal places. Let's move to the solution. This is the circuit given. Basically, in balanced condition, like in normal condition, this is a balanced Wheatstone bridge as E by Q equal to R by S. Right. Now, when there is a unit change in the resistance R, it is from 50 ohms, it changes to 51 ohms R. So let's find the balancing voltage in that case E. All other resistances remaining unchanged, the balancing voltage will be E will be is a simple voltage divider, okay, that is S by S plus R minus Q by E plus Q. The voltage across this differential voltage will be nothing but the resistance S by divided by S plus R and the resistance Q divided by Q plus P. Okay. So it will basically 10 into S means unchanged at 5 kilo, that is 5000 times. R changes to 51. 5000 plus 51 minus Q upon Q is unchanged at 1 kilo, that is 1000 ohms, and P is unchanged at 10 ohms. So it will be nothing but 5000 by 5051 minus 1000 by, so zeros cancel here, so it will be 100 upon 101. Okay. Now if we calculate this, we can calculate this simply using a virtual calculator. This will be basically in volts per ohm. Okay, now if we want to calculate in millivolts per ohm, it will be 1000 times this. That is 10,000 into 5000 by 5051 minus 100 by 101. This is millivolt per ohms. If you put this in the virtual calculator, this calculation, it will come out as, I think, minus 1.96. This will be negative as this is less than this. Sorry. This is less than this. Okay. So basically this value will come out to negative, and we will be getting the sensitivity of the changing balancing voltage E for a unit change in the resistance RS nearly equal to minus 1.96 millivolt per ohm. So the correct answer for this question is minus 1.96. Round off to 2 decimal places and correct to 2 decimal places. This is the accurate value. If this expression is calculated using the virtual calculator. So that's all for solution to this question from basically Wheatstone bridge, balanced Wheatstone bridge, and unbalancing the sensitivity is basically type of question. So the right answer is minus 1.96. In the question, master question answer key, it is given both positive and negative values are considered, as sensitivity is also the magnitude is taken generally. So it can be both minus 1.96 or 1.96. So I hope the solution is clear and comprehensible. We have followed this approach. There is nothing difficult. So that's all for solution question. Thank you.